How to get turtle eggs in Minecraft. So first, just go to a beach and just find some turtles. So we need two turtles for this. And now you simply get some seagrass. And what we're going to do is just simply feed them with seagrass. So we need both of them and get the other turtle and feed the seagrass to them also. Now they'll basically breed and make their eggs right here. And if you see that they're going through the sand right there, means that they're basically laying their eggs and you just need to wait for a while. And they'll just keep doing that and you just need to wait. And now as you can see, it just spawned or laid its egg right there. Now we have the egg right here. Now you just simply need to wait for the egg to hatch. So more or less it might take up to 5 days. So just wait for it and it will eventually hatch. That's how you get turtle eggs in Minecraft.